The model given by the system can adjust the space size of the model, such as length, width, and height. Here we take the cone as an example. Check fill on start. You can see that the layer is a complete cone shape at the beginning. Cancel this effect, and under the preview, you can see that the cone shape is not formed at the beginning, but is slowly filled into the cone model by particles one by one. Radius. Adjust the radius of the cone model. You can see the top of the model, which gets bigger and smaller according to the data. Of course, the larger the radius, the higher the height of the cone. Emit range. The emission range data of the particle is divided into 0 and 1. 0 means all and 1 means surface. The default is that the particles are only attached to the surface of the model. You can see that the particles in the model are slightly sparse and then change to 0. You can see that the particles are now in the filling mode, and the particles in the cone model are no longer sparse. Angle. Adjust the angle of the cone model. Of course, the smaller the angle, the higher the cone. Height range. There is currently no difference in effect and can be ignored. Emit from base. The default cone model particles are randomly generated in the cone according to the size of the cone. If you click to emit from the bottom, the particles will be uniformly emitted from the bottom of the cone and slowly outward. Randomized direction. Because the current particle generation position is random, when we modify the value of the random direction offset, the particle survival position will be randomly regenerated in other positions, but it will not change significantly.